There is a chance you may have some unclaimed property or free money with your name on it. I'm going to show you how to find that in this video. Hey, what's going on? This is Mallory Vody with financiallypresent.com, your one-stop shop for financial and investment education. And today we're going to talk about unclaimed property. Look, it's about time we talk about how to get your money straight, even the money that you aren't aware of. There's a chance there could be money that's left behind with your name on it. It could be cash, it could be stocks, dividends, actual physical property. It all depends, but I just want to make sure that you are part of the last generation that has to do this, and it's part of keeping your money in order. Each state has its own individual website where you can claim your unclaimed property, all right? But there is a website that aggregates all of this information, and that is the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators. It aggregates every state's site so that you can go to one place and find the appropriate site and then file your claim there. That way you don't have to search the individual state websites. For me, I was born in Maryland and my childhood was all in Maryland, and then my adulthood has been in Virginia. So there's a chance I could have assets in Maryland or Virginia, or maybe someone who left me stock or opened up a bank account for me could have opened up an account and maybe they didn't let me know. And this is my way of being able to claim. So I search Virginia, look up my name and any variation of my name or misspelling of my name, which can be very common, and see if anything was left for me. Then do the same for Maryland. I looked and I actually did not find anything, but it does not mean I won't find anything in the future. Because again, if someone passes and they leave something behind and didn't tell me, then ultimately there can be something that's left behind for me. So I would encourage you to occasionally search this site and see if there's any free money that's just there and unclaimed for you. Websites like this remind me why it's extremely important to make sure that you use some of the basic ways of estate planning and contingency planning by updating beneficiaries on your accounts, letting those beneficiaries know that they are your beneficiaries, and then also looking at other options like wills and trusts, because those help with these contingency plans so that we can potentially be the last generation that has to go through websites like this to claim property. We should already be able to know what property is there, and the people who would benefit should know as well. I'd love to know what you found as far as your search. Let me know in the comments below. If you are just struggling with the concept of wills and trust and beneficiaries, check out my other video about those topics as well. If you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the page, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on future content. And until next time, stay present.